how to save video directly to USB drive or SD card on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Okay, first we need to plug in your USB drive to the phone or an SD card. So here I've got an SD card. I will demonstrate with an SD card here. So plug in your external drive to your phone. Make sure it is formatted to be compatible with your device. Then we open up the camera app. Then tap on the control button and tap on settings. In camera settings, scroll down and make sure you turn on save to external storage. Tap on that to turn it on. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can choose to turn on or switch off saved, and then we go back to the camera. Now we switch over to the video format and start recording, and that's it. After we have started recording, when you save the video, it is now stored to your external drive. So here I'll go and open up my file manager. In file manager, scroll down and select your external storage device. Then we go in here, and from here you should be able to locate your video file. And that's it. And there it is. If you do not have a connected external drive, so if you unplug it, and when you are recording the video, by default it will save to your internal storage device. It is saved to the phone. If the application detects there is an external storage device, it will save to your external USB or SD card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.